Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to take you through on how you can get a free backtesting tool for your forex strategy backtesting. This video will take you through on how you can register on FX Replay and then get a free strategy backtesting tool for your own backtesting. So if you are new to this channel, I would like to invite you to kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification icon in order not to miss any further video update from this channel. So without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the video. So first of all, we are going to use the fsreplay.com, and then what you need to do first is to log in to this website. Open your browser and type fsreplay.com, and then you will be brought to this page. So once you are on this page, you can then click on the try for free, or you click on get started for free. Okay, so once you click on the get started for free, you will now be brought to this page. So on this page you can sign up using your Google account, or you can sign up using any other email. So now I'm going to show you where you can get a free email to use for this registration. So now you open a new web browser and then type temp-mail.org. So now once you type this URL, I will leave it in the description below. You will now be brought to this page. So once you are on this page, you will be given a temporary email. So this email, you can only use it once for the verification. So in order to use this email, you click on this copy icon. So once you click on the copy icon, you will now have to go back to the fsreplay.com and then paste the email over there. So once you paste the email over there, you now click on understand, I confirm, then you click on create your account. Okay, once you click on create your account, now you will be asked to enter a username. This is the username that will be displayed on your FS Replay account. So here I'm going to type this name. Okay, so now once you type the name, you then type your password. Okay, so now I've typed my password. So now once you also type your password, you then click on the next button. Okay, so now an email verification message or link has been sent to your email. So what you need to do is to go back to the temporary mail website. Once you open the temp mail website, you don't have to close it until you verify the account. So now that they have sent the verification link to the email, you then go back to that page and then come to this level, this section where you will see the confirmation mail. You click on it. So once you click on it, now you come and then click on this button, confirm my email. Okay, so now the email has successfully been confirmed, and then you will now be redirected to this page. So once you come to this page, there are three options here. We want the free option, that is the beginner option, but if you have money to pay, you can go for either the intermediate or the pro trader, but in this case we are going to use the free version. So you click on start for free. Now you have to solve this captcha and then continue. Alright, so from here you click on the proceed to checkout. So now you enter your name and address, then you can continue from there. Okay. Alright, so now once you are on this page, make sure you select the type of trader you are. So I will go with the intermediate trader, then continue. Now when you come to this level, just select this one. Just want to gather data, you click on it, next, and now take the first option and then continue. So once you are done, you will now be brought to this page. So this is your dashboard. This is where you can see all your data for the backtesting. So from here you can create a new session. So the session has to do with the account name. So here, let's say you are going to backtest for a prop account. Mostly that is what I use, because I always want to trade a prop firm account. So before I get that account, I have to make sure I get a backtesting tool to backtest and see how I'm going to pass the account using this free backtesting tool before I go for the live account. So now you give a name, prop firm, and then I'm going to get a funded next 6K account. So I'm going to get a 6K account. So I will make sure I select I put the amount at 6K. Make sure to be realistic in your amount. The amount you trade, if you trade a personal account of, let's say, $100, you can put the $100 here and then backtest and see how you are going to manage that $100. So here I'm going to use the 6K account, and the asset I'm going to be trading is GJ. I'm going to be trading GJ and then GU, and then if possible I'm going to be trading, let's say, card JPY. So these are the three assets I'm going to be trading for this 6K account. So if you are going to be trading gold and other things, you can add them here. But for me, I'm going to be trading only this pairs. So now I'm going to select the date. So I'm going to backtest from, let's say, January 2023. I'm going to backtest for, let's say, January 2023 to, let's say, December 2023. So that is 1 year data I'm going to gather from here. So now you select the dates, January 1st, January 2023 to December 2023. So now let me change the date. It's going to be 1st. So 1st January 2023 to 31st December 2023. So that is 1 year data I'm going to be gathering using this account. So now you click on create session. So once you click on create session, now you have your section here. So here you will be told the number of hours you've invested in doing the backtesting and the historical time replay and the other things, number of trades you've taken, and then overall win rate. So the days will also be shown to you here, and the trade symbols will be shown to you here. So as you can see, now I have my session here, funded next, prop firm. So these are the items I'm going to be trading, the currencies I'm going to be trading, and this the starting and the ending date. So now here you have option to create 2 sessions. That is the only option you have. So make sure you use it very well. So for now I'm going to start with this section. So I click on the view session. So now once I click on the view session, now I will be brought to this page where I have to click on go to chart. So when I click on go to chart, it will now take me to the chart. So by default it will now take me to the GJ chart. So let me close this one so that I can get a full view of it. So it will now bring me to the GJ chart. Let's say I want to change it to GU. I just click here Okay, so if you want to change the currency, you click on there and then select the one you want. So let's say I want to use cards JPY. So once you are here, you can customize the chart. This is just like the trading view overview. So here you are given this option, or you are given this notice. Don't forget you have up to 50 trades per month. So meaning you can take 50 trades before this trial version expires. So now you don't have to bother about this. Once the trial version expires and you want to start another backtesting, you can go back and then create another session, because you have 2 sessions. So you can create another session using this new session pattern. So let's say you started the backtesting from January 2023 to December 2023. So that is the first session. When the session expires, you can now click on the new session and then you start from January 2024 to December 2024. So that is how it works. So now let's go back to the chart and I'll show you something. Okay, so we are now back to the chart. So now we are going to use the GG. Let me customize this chart for my liking. First, I have to remove this, make it solid. In the background, I would like it to be white. This one, I don't want it's okay. So I think I have to also change the symbols. I prefer blue and black. Okay, so now this is what I have. So from here you can now do your back testing. Let me put my time on top. Okay, so from here you can start your back testing. So assuming you are going to place a trade, let's say you've analyzed this chart. Let me see something. Let me just do some small analysis for you to see. Let's say you've analyzed this chart based on the daily time frame. We could see that the market is currently trading in a downtrend. Okay, because we have this break here, and then also from here we have this we have this other block here on the daily time frame. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame is also confirming the downtrend bias. Okay, so let me mark our highs and lows. Let me go to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so 15 minutes time frame, I am going to look at okay, okay, so let's see, assuming you have this setup, and you want to take a short position. So let's say you place your short position here like this. to get this. So let's say you are going to place a trade using the simulated fund, that is the 6k. So when you look at it down there, you will see the total amount, and then realized profit and unrealized profit. So let's say you are going to take a trade. So you click on the tool, the short tool icon here, the short tool. Then you come to the top here where it says place trade. So you click on this. When you click on it, now you have to specify the amount, the percentage of your fund that you want to use. So by default it is on 1%. So meaning when you are using 1% of your 6k account, you are going to lose $60 and then make $139. So let's say you want to use, let's say 0.5%. So 0.5, you are losing $30 and then you will make $69.9. So let's say I'm going to use 0.5 since it's a 6k account. So now all your parameters will be shown to you, your stop loss will be shown to you, and other things. So here there are two things. If you want to save and journal, meaning when you save and journal, the app will automatically save your trade screenshot and other things, so that when you are coming to do your data analysis, you can see the charts where you took the trades and then where you exited. But the other option is also there where you only have to save alone without journaling. So now if you have to save and journal, when you click on save and journal, you'll be brought to this page. So here you can click on the screenshot and the app automatically screenshots this trade for you, and then you will see it here. So once you come back to do your analysis, you can see the chart where you entered and where you exited. So now you click on the save. So once you click on the save, now it automatically journal. So meaning this trade is taken on Monday 26th. So now let's play it and see how it goes. So to play it, you come to the button here. You make sure you toggle this one so that automatically align with the time frame you are currently using. So by default I'm using 50 minutes time frame for this trade. So let me play it and see. Okay, so now the trade has run and left us. So once it has passed this level, this swing low, I don't have to take this trade again. It has become invalidated, so I will cancel the trade. So let me see. I just want to show you how to place a trade. So here, with that, let me not just do any analysis. Let me just show you. So from here, let's see, I'm expecting the market to come back to this level. So let me place a trade there also. Okay, let me place a trade. So here, let me use the other option, only save. So now let me play it out. Boom. As you can see, the trade went and activated our price, went and activated our trade, and as you can see, it is currently running. So here you can see the amount you are making. So as you can see, currently we are running $42.4, and then from here, in most cases, when I get this type of movement, so this is almost 70 pips, so I will move my stop loss to break even and then let it run. Boom. As you can see, now I have hit my take profit. So now when you come to the bottom, you will see the P&L. So currently this is the amount we've made for this trade, and now our total balance is 6,062.58. So that is how we do. So if you want to expand the chart, you can click on here, then you can have a bigger view of the chart. So now, assuming we are done with our trade and we want to check our analysis or journal, you just click on this place and now you will be brought to this page. You will now be brought to this page. So you go to analysis also, then you will see the 2 trades you have taken. So as you can see, this is the first trade. The first trade it couldn't activated, so this was the first trade we have taken, and now you can see the account balance here. Is the total account. So this is the win rates, and this is the total trade I've taken so far. And now this is the average risk to reward, and then this is the maximum risk to reward. And now when you look at the down there, you will see the summary of the trade, the winning trade and the losing trade. So now here you will be given the total trades here. So far only one trade, which is a sell, and it's 100% win. So here you can see the other metrics, but to get more accurate or in-depth metrics, you need to upgrade, which in my view is not necessary for now, since you are still in your beginner stage or intermediary stage. So alright, that is what I have for you. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment and I will respond to you. Have a nice day. Bye.